Hello friends. In today's video, I will explain how to perform 2G and 3G cutting on chili plants. Hello friends. Performing 3G cutting on chili plants encourages the growth of numerous branches. And the more branches a chili plant has, the more it will flower and bear fruit. After performing 3G cutting, your chili plant will produce so many flowers and fruits that a single plant could be enough for your entire household. So friends, in this video, I will also share a complete update on the 2G and 3G cutting process. Make sure to watch the video until the end. So, let's find out how to perform 2G and 3G cutting. Friends, first, we will perform the 2G cutting. When should you do the 2G cutting? You should perform the 2G cutting 6 to 7 days after transplanting the plant. Perform the 2G cutting once your plant has grown to this size. You don't need to do much to perform the 2G cutting. You simply need to pinch off the top part of the plant. You can pinch it off using your fingers. Or, you can cut it off using pruning shears. The benefit of 2G cutting is that new branches will emerge from every single node on the plant. And this plant, which currently has only a single stem, will gradually become very bushy. Hello friends. This is an update from about 20 days after transplanting the plant. So, this is an update from about 10 to 12 days after I performed the 2G cutting on this plant. Now, I'll show you the full results following that 2G cutting. Just look at how bushy that single-stemmed plant has become in only 10 to 12 days. And look at how many new branches have emerged. I'll also show you the exact spot where I performed the 2G cutting. See, this is the very point where I made the 2G cut. You can clearly see that new branches have sprouted from the spot where I pinched or pruned it off. And remember, I'm showing you the update from just 10 to 12 days later. Look at how many branches are emerging from every single node. Take a look at the lowest node as well. A large, healthy branch has emerged from there too. I'll show you each node where the branches are sprouting. So, after the 2G cutting, look, here is the first branch. Then, look just above that, a new branch has emerged. Previously, there were only leaves here. And a new branch has sprouted from this node. A separate branch has also emerged from the middle of that branch, right at the node. So, there are 3 branches here in total. Let me show you this side as well. A separate side branch has emerged from here too. And another branch is sprouting from the middle of that one. And look here, a new branch has emerged from the node above that as well. You can see a new branch sprouting from here too. A large, healthy branch has also emerged from the topmost node. And look right next to where I made the cut, a new branch has emerged there as well. So, you can see just how many branches emerge after the 2G cut. Now, we will perform the 3G cut on it. Friends, what do you need to do for the 3G cut? You need to snip off the tips of all the new branches that have emerged. Just as you did with the 2G cut, you need to pinch off the tops of the new branches that have appeared for the 3G cut. Doing this will make your plant become even bushier. In other words, new branches will sprout from the nodes of the branch you have cut. Now, look at this branch here. New branches will emerge from the nodes of this branch as well. This will make even a small plant become very bushy. It will become extremely dense. And the bushier the plant, the more flowering and fruiting it will produce. Now, you need to cut off the tips of all the branches. Even if you feel reluctant to cut because the plant is growing so healthily, you must still go ahead and do it. If the branches are still very small, you can wait a little while. Then, cut them off. However, I am cutting off the branches now because they have grown sufficiently large. This is an update from about 22 days after transplanting. Now, we will perform the 3G cut on it. Hello friends. Look, this is an update from 30 days after transplanting. Just look, in only 30 days, the plant has become so bushy. And it has started flowering and fruiting so quickly. So, the benefit of the 3G cut is that your plant becomes bushy right from the base. More branches will continue to emerge. And flowering and fruiting will start sooner. If you don't perform the 3G cut, your plant will grow very tall and leggy. After that, new branches will emerge, and it will grow upwards and become bushy. However, by performing 3G cutting, your plant will start becoming bushy right from the base. Now, let me tell you a few more things about this and about the lighting requirements. Friends, the more branches a plant develops, the more nutrients it requires. Therefore, every 15 days, mix 1 or 2 handfuls of a good organic fertilizer, such as vermicompost, cow dung manure, or kitchen compost, into the soil. Water the plant only when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feel dry. Water thoroughly only when the topsoil is dry. Otherwise, there is a risk of root rot. It may also become susceptible to pest attacks. To prevent pest infestations, spray neem oil at intervals of 15 to 20 days. Additionally, to encourage abundant and high-quality flowering, you can occasionally spray the plant with Epsom salt. You can also spray it with seaweed extract. This promotes healthy plant growth and supports flowering and fruiting. So, friends, in this video, I explained how and when to perform 2G and 3G pruning on chili plants. I also shared the complete update with you. Whenever you plant chilies, make sure to perform 2G and 3G pruning. This will help achieve better growth and increased flowering and fruiting. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked the video, please like and share it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Finally, thanks for watching.